Hi, in this video we are going to discussing about equation of the straight line. Exercise 6.4. The example question 6.26. Find the vector equation in parametric form. Vector equation in parametric form and the Cartesian equation of the straight line passing through the point -4, 2, -3 and parallel to the line -x minus 2 divided by 3 equal to y plus 3 divided by minus 2 equal to 2z minus 6 divided by 3. Okay, so first a vector, that is a point a vector equal to minus 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Then the given line, it is not in standard form. So first we change into standard form. So we get minus of x plus 2 divided by 4 equal to y plus 3 divided by minus 2 equal to 2 into z minus 3 divided by 3. Again x plus 2 divided by minus 4 equal to y plus 3 divided by minus 2 equal to z minus 3 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, so this is in standard form. So parallel to the line. So here the vector is u vector. So u vector equal to minus 4i vector, that is minus 4i cap minus 2j cap plus 3 by 2 k cap. 3 by 2 k cap. So first vector equation in parametric form. Parametric form, r vector equal to a vector plus t into u vector. R vector equal to a vector plus t into u vector. So that is r vector equal to minus 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap plus t into u cap minus 4i cap minus 2j cap plus 3 by 2 into k cap. Okay, either this form or another one form, r vector equal to minus 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap plus s into another constant. So should multiply by 2, minus 8i cap minus 4j cap plus 3k cap plus 3k cap. Okay, so where s is equal to t by 2, t by 2 sorry 2t. Okay, so first multiply by 2 means 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then t. Okay, okay. Next Cartesian form. Cartesian form or Cartesian equation of the straight line. From this, a vector equal to minus 4i plus 2j minus 3k cap. Then b vector or b1 b2 b3 equal to minus 8 comma minus 4 comma 3 here x1 comma y1 comma z1 equal to minus 4 comma 2 comma minus 3. So equation of the straight line in the Cartesian form, x minus x1 divided by b1 equal to y minus y1 by b2 equal to z minus z1 divided by b3, which is x minus 4. So x minus into minus plus 4, x plus 4 divided by 8 equal to y minus 2 divided by or minus 8, y minus 2 divided by minus 4 equal to z plus 3 divided by 3. Either this form or x plus 4 divided by 8 equal to y minus 2 divided by 4 equal to z plus 3 divided by minus 3. Okay, both are equal. Okay, or in the vector equation, this is, we can write another form, r vector equal to minus 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, again plus another some constant lambda into 8i cap plus 4j cap minus 3k cap minus 3k cap. Okay, so இதில் இந்த ஸ்டெப்னால ஓகே, இதுவும் கரெக்ட் தான், இதுவும் கரெக்ட் தான். ஸோ நம்ம எந்த ஃபார்மில் வேணாலும் நமக்கு ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ண முடியும். அதே மாதிரி இதையும் நம்ம எந்த ஃபார்மில் வேணாலும் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, த நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், find the angles between the straight line with the coordinate axis. With the coordinate axis என்பது நமக்கு இங்கே பாசிட்டிவ் x axis, பாசிட்டிவ் y axis, பாசிட்டிவ் z axis, அதில் தான் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்கே b cap. okay, if b cap is a unit vector, b cap is a unit vector, parallel to the given line. இந்த given லைனுக்கு b capங்கிறது parallel இருக்கிற மாதிரி நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா, அப்போ b cap equal to b vector divided by modulus of b vector. ஸோ இங்கே b vector அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு என்னவா இருக்குன்னா, parallel அப்படிங்கிறது 2i cap plus 2j cap, இங்கே by minus z, z அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு இங்கே by 1 இருக்குங்கிற மாதிரி நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ z by minus 1, z by minus 1, so minus k cap, so that is 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divided by square root of 4 plus 1, that is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divided by 3, that is b cap, okay. So by the direction cosine நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். ஸோ அதில் அந்த டைரக்ஷன் ஆங்கிளை நம்ம எழுதும்போது எப்படி எழுதுனா, cos alpha equal to 2/3, cos beta equal to again 2/3, cos gamma equal to minus 1/3. So therefore alpha is equal to cos inverse of 2/3, beta is equal to cos inverse of 2/3, and gamma is equal to cos inverse of minus 1/3. So these are the angle between the straight line with the coordinate axis. Okay, that's all. Thank you.